Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jenny again, and today we are going over FitOn app, which is a crazy, amazing app that has nutrition, that has recipes, that has workouts, an extensive amount of workouts with even celebrity trainers. Now, it's known to be a free trial app, so this particular video I'm going to go over the free trial version and I hope you get some insights out of it. So if you're really curious, let's jump right in. So today we are reviewing the FitOn app on Android, but please note that this app is available both for iOS and Android phones. So when you first go on the screen, you'll see these amazing trainers that are working out. There are some celebrities that also did club workout with them, such as Gabrielle Union. So you'll see that as an onboard screen. You have options of signing it through the Google, sign up with Facebook, and get started. But I always like to do sign up with Google. So I'm gonna use sign up with Google today. Gonna select the email, and then you could do FitOn send you notifications. I'm gonna say no because I really don't like notifications, especially from fitness apps. When you first log on, this is your home page. So you have so many options. So you might be overwhelmed with seeing all this. By the way, this is a free trial version. You could get pro by clicking here, and then you get a year for $30, which is amazing, or 6 months for $23. And this is an additional add-ons for being able to work out offline and have meal plans and cast it, which is really cool. I would love to use the cast feature, so I might consider doing this in the future. But for the sake of this review, I am going to skip that part. Just going back to the original home screen, we're back here. You could scroll down. Wow, there's so many options. So it might be overwhelming. Why don't we just start with the navigations first? So there's 5 navigations. It's for you page, and then workout, advice, meals, and friends. I like that the navigations all say what it is, so the no icons are confusing. Now, if I click on workouts, there's all sorts of workouts in here. It's organized by, oh, what is that? Need extra motivation? Follow us. This is a nice integration of banner ad, but it could be also very annoying if it keeps coming up. But there's hot and new, mobility, and so many types of workout. Every time there's a new workout, it says new, so you'll be able to know which workouts are updated. And there's a lot of workouts here. You also have option of doing live workouts where you could sign up by clicking on it, and they will tell you the equipment you will need and what time it is of the day and intensity and the time frame. So this is really amazing. So cool. And then if you just click and count me in, you'll be able to sign up and then enable it and then sync it. Cool. So let's go back. Okay, so there are challenges you could see from 10-day Kickstarters. Okay. 6-pack. Oh, what is this like? So you could sign up. There's a whole bunch of people that signed up. 272K is incredible. And then there's a whole type of workouts that you'll be committing yourself to doing, which is absolutely phenomenal. Wow. And okay, so there are multiple trainers, multiple workouts, and I might actually end up doing this. So that's cool. You could also invite people, join. Challenge accepted. Okay, invite. And then if I want to invite anyone from the contact, I can do as well. Now, going back to the app. So you could also choose the workouts by targeted areas in time, intensity. And then what is this? The partnership with H&M Move. That is really cool. Let's explore that for a bit. Okay, so H&M instructors, they're working out in H&M clothes, which is a really cool collaboration. I love it. Okay, let's go back. There's daily fixes. You could do quick workouts where you could just get recommendations. You could also work out with celebrity workouts. By the way, you guys, if you love Gabrielle Union or JVN, oh my gosh, I recommend these two. So JVN, they are very, very positive energy, just good vibes, just good morning stretch. Also gives you a little chuckles. So it's a really cool way to start your morning. It's one of my favorite things to do. And there's type of trainers. That is cool. Okay, so it's just, you scroll it down. Scrollable app, no biggie. You could also just do the feature workout on the top and just press start. And then you could do premium music, Or if you don't do premium music, it just starts the workout in 15 seconds so you could get ready. You also have option to turn on your camera, heart monitor, and then when you connect your heart monitor or your smart watch will show you the heart. And also once the fitness starts, it becomes a horizontal screen, so you'll be able to put it on tripod, or you could hold it, or you could put it on your mat to work out. There's also, when it comes to that feature, there's music recommendations. Wow, you have option of choosing music too. You also have volume option, which is always a great idea. There's a lot of recommendations. So there is a recommended version. There is a dance version, pop, classic, whatever version you choose. And then when you click on this, you could also cast it, which is really cool. Yeah, so when you try to cast, you will have to have a premium membership. We're gonna leave this workout. Okay, for $30 a year, I think that's a pretty good package, because $30, I mean, $30, come on, like really, it's really easy to get that. So continuing on our journey with the navigation bar, we're gonna see the advice. They have their own blogs of all the information. Wow, this is incredible. So there is like blogs of information on top, and then there's like trainer tips of little short videos, how to do it. Let's say how to burpee. Then it will go onto the FitOn app, and then let's see how long this is.
Exercise. And if you do it wrong, you could be hurting a different body part. So I just want to make sure you guys understand how to do a burpee. So let's start on the beginner one. You're just going to come up.
Oh, I love that, how they have a breakdown of that. So you just need to scroll to the sides and see a whole bunch of options. You could browse the tips. It gets into the blog site of FitOn. And then if you go down, there's a fitness section. So pretty much there's fitness section, there is nutrition section, there is self-care section, which are amazing. And there's also wellness section. So advice is like whole archive of blogs that you could go through. So there's a meal section where, oh yes. So this is...
FitOn was really the catalyst to win. As far as impacting my life, I've lost.
Okay, I actually did not enjoy that was an automated or that was a mandatory ad. I couldn't click out of it. I was constantly struggling to do so, and it didn't work. But what I like about it is that it's so easy to find the meals. There's so many options that you could do. There is recipes without sugar. There are like so many like actual trainers going through. That's so cool. In the explore section of the recipes, you have options to choose from, and it's endless. Now, let's try the search bar. Let's say I did salad. Okay, so, and then you could just go scroll it through the sides this way to see. So it is cool. But this is, yeah, I feel like there should be some sort of filter that I could just like filter through. This is kind of overwhelming for someone who's seeing it for the first time. Maybe like, what if there's an ingredient list, you know, there's something I can't eat. Like I'm allergic to pork and I can't eat that, but I don't have option to, you know, take that out. So that's a little bummer. And did you just see that? Like their ad constantly pops up, so that's a bit annoying. So I guess that's the downside about the free version. But friends section, okay, see again, yeah, it's a free app, but like this is annoying that it constantly pops up every section I go. So that's really annoying. I mean, I guess it's really encouraging you to buy the premium. It is $30, so it's not much, but I mean, if I was an avid user of this app, just to get away from the annoyance, I think I will purchase $30 a year. And then we're here in my back of my For You page, and you have the streaks of like interesting. So I'm here today. I haven't worked out, but it's saying 1 week streak. I guess it's because I just logged on. And then I have like a set goals here. It will show me graphs of all the workouts I do. I do not have data on this because I just logged onto this account, but there's a lot of options even in the top. So there's a lot of navigation feature, which is really cool. But because it's such a complex app, it just like, you need to play around with it a bit to understand, and there's like so many layers of this app. So there's like courses, there's programs, there's recommended. So this again goes back to the premium section. You could favorite workouts, so you could scroll it this way to see. That is really cool option. All right. And then be active every day. Okay, seeing it, being able to see all this. Oh, like that is cool. Okay. To be honest right now, this is a lot. I mean, I think it's well built app. It definitely feels thorough, but it's a lot. It's kind of overwhelming for me. If I was a complete new beginner fitness person or like beginner coming into workout, yeah, I like the fact that there's so many tools, but also it's a lot of things I have to look through. So I don't even think I will get started with this app. This is a lot. I mean, to be frank, like on this app, my usual go-to is like, I don't know, like maximum 20 minutes. So like this, I can't do this in 20 minutes. So unless I set a time for myself and do like, you know, like this is a lot to go through. You need to set a time for yourself to go through all this. So there's a notification. Okay. Yeah, this is a lot. But overall, it's very thorough. And then you could also give feedback if you want it. Cool. Okay, well, so that is FitOn app. Okay, so FitOn app is so much info, but I love it because it has so many things I want to do, like so many type of workouts I want to do, and there are like yoga. There is one day I could do a HIIT workout. It's also very compact. It's in my phone. It's very good quality, so wherever I go, I could use it as long as I have Wi-Fi. Now, if the premium version offers, you could cast it, you could do offline, you could get recipes and all of that sort, and it's only $30 per year, which is, I think it's worth the value. I might give it a try in the future. So subscribe to my channel if you want to see some future videos on that. The following video would be a trial where I actually try out the workouts from this free version. So now the rating time. So today, I think the FitOn app deserves 5 out of 5 for userful. It has such extensive navigation tools, going back and forth. It's super easy for you to use. It's super convenient. So favorite part is that there's an extensive amount of workouts available. So there are different types and categories. There are, you know, multiple ways to do workouts. There's a lot of workouts for different time frames too, with different trainers, different music, such a versatility. Here is my least favorite part, is that the ad for premium keeps on popping up. If I'm not doing a workout, I cannot navigate the app without running into an ad within 30 seconds. So that's really annoying. I know that it's supposed to try to sell, but that's a bit much in my opinion. I wish it gave me a little breathing room so I could look through the app, especially if I'm a first-time user. I have a FitOn account, but for the purpose of this video, I created a new account and tried it, and that was much of ad I was getting. So it was really not pleasant. My wish list, I don't know, do I even have one? Because overall, it was really good. Although the nutrition part isn't part of the free trial, there is no free trial, but I honestly thought it was worth it because like $30 a year, like come on, we spend $30 like nothing these days in US. So I mean, it's worth a $30 a year subscription, so I don't think it's bad to hold that. Also, like casting and downloadable, like you could kind of assume how great it is, so I didn't think it was that big deal breaker. But yeah, that's about it. So I don't think there's a wish list per se, but yeah, so that concludes my rating for today, and I hope you liked this video. Thumbs up for me if you really thought this video helped you to find out more about FitOn app, and hope you get to try it, or I might beat you to it by uploading the video I already did trial on. But stay tuned, keep working out, and till next time, bye.